Hey friends, welcome back, and if you're new here, I welcome you. I have a candle review of the 2020 Dairy Queen Blizzard Treat Candle Collection, and third one up to review is the 4-ounce 1-wick candle in Brownie Dough Blizzard. So first, let's just get into the packaging real quick. As you can see, it's just got a sticker on the front. I wish they would have put maybe some brownie accents or some kind of chocolate accents on the sticker. However, it's just pretty plain and it's just got a few fall leaves on the front. And as you can see, the wax is like a more of a white color, and it gets translucent as the wax begins to melt. So let me show you the actual wax color from the top. As well, as you can see, that flame is really going strong. And first, let me read you the notes. The notes are aromatic wisps of homemade brownie dough baked for 0 minutes. So I have been burning this candle for over an hour now. I would say about 2 hours actually. And upon lighting, this candle started off very light with wisps of, I would say, chocolate. However, once it got into about the second hour of burning, this little baby is strong. I don't detect any ice cream or cream type or sweet cream type notes. I get full on baked brownie. Like I said, this candle it really has impressed me because it is a very strong candle, and I almost want to put it out because it has filled an entire room space. So I would say this one has a extreme throw power, more than the prior 4-ounce candle pumpkin pie that I reviewed here earlier. If you love brownie, you definitely would enjoy this scent. Me personally, I'm not a brownie lover. However, I smell chocolate and I smell basically baked brownie. Like I said, this is a strong, chocolatey, almost like hot cocoa scented candle. It's really nice and it's very smooth. However, that chocolate has a strong bite to it, and as you can see, that flame is really throwing, so you will get that chunky, chocolatey, brownie type note that will fill the room. So yeah, guys, I am enjoying this candle. However, it is not personally my favorite. It is a strong one. Comment down below if you guys were able to get your hands on this collection. What do you think about it thus far, especially the Brownie Dough Blizzard? And if you enjoy reviews like this, be sure to hit that notification bell, comment down below, and please subscribe. And I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.